AI videos and image generators are giving us amazing images and videos, but they are also leaving us with one big problem: the watermark. Most of us either crop it out or cover it with our logo. But guess what? I will be showing you how to permanently remove it with just a single click for free. Let's jump right into it. Open your browser and search for shortcuts.org. Tap download. Make sure you download the correct version for your PC, okay? Click here. As you can see, it's downloading. Once it's done, open the folder. Double-click to open it. Then click Install for all users. Click Next. Next again. Then Install. Finally, click Finish. Open Shortcut after the installation is complete. Now, this is a full video editing software. If you want to learn how to use it, check out my Shortcut playlist for everything you need to know about this software. Click here to choose where you want to save your project. Give your project a name. Click Open File and import your video. Now drag it onto the timeline. If you have more videos, drag them all onto the timeline. Click Filters. Click the plus icon and search for Spot. Click Spot Remover. Now go ahead and drag the box over the watermark and adjust it until it completely covers the watermark. Once you are done, click Export. Click Video/Audio. Choose your folder and save your video. Now let's see the outcome.
Guess what? I found a free AI video generator.
Really? Show me how it works.
If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe, turn on all post notification, and also don't forget to check out my AI video playlist. Bye for now.